Gentlemen, I've got good news and I've got bad news. Which do you want first? What's that? Bad news? Okay. Your friends suck. Because if they were really your friends, they would have been honest with you. They would have told you about all the people laughing their ass off behind your back. Good news is that I'm your friend, and I'm not afraid to be honest, even when the truth might sting a little bit. Today, gentlemen, I'm going over 10 reasons why people are laughing behind your back. The first reason why people may be laughing at you behind your back is that you don't dress your age. Unfortunate reality is that we all are going to get older. One of the biggest mistakes that men make is that they try to hold on to their youth with a kung fu action grip. And so they shop at stores that are way too young for what they are. The AlphaM general rule of how to know if you're shopping in a store that's way too young for you: if you walk in and every single person in there could be your kid, run! The second reason why people are laughing at you behind your back is because you're dating a stripper. No disrespect meant for strippers. I'm just letting you know that all your boys that are like, yo, good job, Brian, you're awesome. Really, you're killing it, right? Everybody behind your back is like, yo, did you see the girl Brian's dating? She's such a slut. While we're at it, we might as well throw in gold diggers and girls that are too young for you. How do you know if she's too young? Good question. Good news. There's a formula. Take your age, divide it by 2, add 7. Anything below the formula makes you look like a pedophile. Third reason why people are laughing at you behind your back is that you overreact to little stupid shit. Can't believe this. I'm so pissed off. And then you go to the social media and you're typing all your friends and you're texting and you're posting on Twitter and Facebook and all these places and you're like, yo, what the hell happened to you? They ran out of blonde roast. Be honest, are you somebody who freaks out over little, like, insignificant things? If so, gentlemen, people are laughing at you. You gotta chill and not sweat the small stuff. Fourth reason why people are laughing at you behind your back is that you've got stupid ass tattoos. I had the dumbest tattoos. When I was young, I was like, Mom, I need tattoos. I want a bumblebee on my back. It's the only thing I want. Oh, wait, I also want a moon on my leg. The good news is that you can have your stupid tattoos removed like I did. The bad news, it takes a while, it's painful, and it's expensive. The fifth reason why people are laughing at you behind your back is that you wear bad toupee. And let's throw in comb over, for God's sake. Gentlemen, here's the deal. If you're somebody who is not exactly comfortable with the idea of losing their hair, going bald, the good news is that there's something you can do about it, but it all starts by visiting today's video sponsor, Bosley. Hair loss sucks. It doesn't matter what age you start to lose it. It is devastating. It hurts your confidence. Now, some dudes are like, yo, it's cool, and you're gonna rock a bald head, or you're cool with having a receding hairline, and you look amazing. Embrace it. But for those of you out there that are like, yo, I am not ready to lose my hair, I look better with hair, I just don't want to lose my freaking hair alpha, you gotta hit that link down below and go check out Bosley. Guys, Bosley is the hair doctor. If you've got something going on with your mouth, you go to the dentist. Your feet, you go to the podiatrist. And if you are at any stage of hair loss, guys, whether or not you start losing it, you think you're losing it, you found a few extra strands, or you are completely bald, you gotta go talk to the hair doctors, Bosley. They can help, but the sooner you go, the sooner you notice, hey, something's happening, my hair isn't looking as good, it's going away, or it's gone, the sooner you go, the easier it is to treat. Gentlemen, there's a link down below. Go download the free. How much? Free. The guide is absolutely free. And so even if you're not losing your hair, go and download it just so you know what's out there, what's available. Guys, that link down below, the free guide to hair loss and hair restoration. Bosley is also going to give you a $250 gift card. So if after reading it and you're like, yo, this is for me, I want to go check it out, you can make an appointment to sit down with the counselor for free, and they will actually talk to you about your hair loss, your history, and the various options along with pricing. And then if you decide to actually use Bosley, you can apply the $250 gift card to any of the services that they offer. Here are 3 handsome gentlemen that made the choice to go see Bosley. How happy do you think these guys are? The 6th reason why people are laughing at you behind your back is that you have horrible halitosis. Every single one of you can name somebody who has horrible breath. Name them. And the funny thing is that people notice. And then people talk behind your back about, oh my God, I can't get too close. I want to give them a mint. Do you think exactly? Gentlemen, don't be the guy people want to give mints to. I think that doesn't work. Gentlemen, you want to know if your breath stinks? Here's the deal. Ready? Take the back of your hand and lick it. Give it a good one all the way in the back. Let it dry. Give it a sniff. How's it smell? Is it fresh or is it a little bit hot and stanky? If it's hot and stanky, handle it. The seventh reason why people are laughing at you behind your back is that you're sagging your pants. Your underwear are hanging out, or you're doing the waddle. Don't shoot the messenger. I'm just letting you know that other people, when they see you with your boxer briefs or trunks or whatever hanging out and your pants are all low, they're laughing. They're talking behind your back about how your underwear has some stains. Eighth reason why people are making fun of you behind your back is that you got boogers. Bats in the cave. Gentlemen, here's the thing. A simple solution and way to actually eliminate the risk of having boogers showing is trim your nose hair. There's nothing worse than at the end of the day, you go up to the mirror, look at it, and you're like, oh my God, how long has that been there? Your head, you're like, oh my God, who have I talked to? And you're like, oh my God, I talked to Brenda, Sheila, Janice, lunch with Lanita. I got you. Like, come here, I got you. Ninth reason why people laugh at you behind your back is that your car inside is filthy. Every single one of you has walked by the car and been like, oh God, I wonder who drives that thing, right? It's disgusting. Gentlemen, clean up. If you've got bottles and wrappers and plastic and food or slob, and people are laughing. And last but certainly not least, they are also laughing at you if you're the dude covered with cat hair. Cats and dogs are amazing. They're cute, they're cuddly, they're incredible companions. But the problem is that they cover you with cat hair, and you don't want to be the dude who's walking around and being like, hey, Sheila, what's going on, girl? And she's like, yo, Brian, good to see you covered in cat hair. Lint roller. Gentlemen, I got lint rollers all over my house. I got them in my car. I got them at my office. And because my wife has cats, they're not mine. I know that I've got to defer myself every day before leaving the house. And that's it, gentlemen. 10 reasons why people are potentially laughing at you behind your back, and I don't want that to happen, because even though your friends suck and should have been telling you this a long time ago, I don't suck. And if you don't suck, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, because I'm your boy, and I'm here to help you out.